Okay, so the heater is off. It's 5:28. The circulating pump is circulating the coolant through. It's about 4 gallons of coolant in the lines, and it's coming back and through down into the heater, then down into the floor, and then back up. So we'll go ahead and turn the heater on, and it's coming on. It's 5:28. It's making a little noise. It says ignition or start, or standby, please wait. Not quite been 1 minute yet. You can hear the coolant circulating through the reservoir. Okay, now it's been 1 minute since I turned it on. And we can test the coolant temperature here. It is 62 degrees Fahrenheit. That's the one that comes out of the heater. And going into the heater is about 61. So 61 coming back from the floor. And now you can hear that it's starting to fire up. It's 5:30, 45. You can see these temperature gauges here. Less than 20 degrees Celsius. Coming back, also less than 20 degrees Celsius. You can hear the fuel pump clicking. I think you can hear that. You can hear the heater starting to ramp up a little bit. You can see that the temperature going into the floor is starting to go up just a little bit. It's at 59 degrees. I can test the hose. It's 72 degrees. And the hose coming back is about 62 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, the heater is starting to ramp up a little more. We'll test the temperature of the hose going in, about 76. The hose coming back, about 62 still. Okay, heater's still going. It's 5:33. You can see the temperature of the outgoing water is about 90 degrees Fahrenheit, and the incoming water is about still 62 degrees Fahrenheit. You can see on that gauge, it says about 50 degrees Celsius, I think, something like that. But on Fahrenheit here, it's 90.3. Or actually, I can put this on Celsius to make it easier for you. 33.2 going out, and 17 coming back. And it's only been a few minutes, as you can see, and it's already shutting down and going into its stop cycle, where it will stop and then restart. And the temperature is 29.2, and I can check it here on top of the heater at the hottest spot. It's 31.4. And the temperature coming back is 17.8. Check it here as well. 16.3. So the water coming back is cold. The heater, you would think, would cycle longer and keep burning like it did the first time I used it. The first time I used the heater stayed on much longer intervals and heated up the water, passing it through the floor for quite a while before it shut off and then went through a cycle and restarted. And it's cooling, as you can see here. It's almost back down to 20 now, so it's been just clearing the chamber. You can see the time. So I suspect something is wrong with the heater. It's causing it to stop early and start and stop and start and stop at a lower temperature than it was before. Here it is. It's stopping all the way. It just stopped 5:37, or it just wound down slower. Still circulating. Hopefully that's enough video for you.